whether the world's greatest gnats or the world's greatest heroes, you're still only mortal.
Rune's over here.
Run.
Oh, the big guy again.
Yeah, every time.
Death rune in 10.
On him again.
Decipher this!
We need to wait for a room.
The legacy
Yeah.
of storms shall not be undone. You seek the secrets of Ulduar, then take them!
Do we have the space clear for the tank to run to?
It is. Yeah, I have the right spot left. I got
Okay, just checking.
45 seconds.
You do look like a big badass though, tanking.
Okay, taken. I'm running to the door.
You seek the secrets of
Wow.
Ulduar,
Holy shit!
I died right after he did.
Good job.
Second
Awesome.
try is pretty legit.
We're gonna lose Grave.
I think I'm still gonna die.
Yeah.
Wait for me.
Yeah, there's
That's
nothing you
that's
can
a
do.
good pay. It's alright for him
Yeah.
to die.
Yeah, get away from the rest of them, Grave. You can't stop yourself.
It's gonna be slow, and it's gonna last a while.
You should dance for us since you're nice and big.
Yeah, he didn't get his buff. I literally died like half a second after he did.
We could have done that easy with a rune.
Yeah, for sure.
That was an amazing job, guys.
I wasn't even close to him that time.
Oh,
We just need a dragon. That's what it was. It's all you, dragon.
Yeah.
Our ancestors be praised.
Aww. Poor little dead gray. Yeah, and the mana was way better than it was.
Well, I was trying to burn some of my cooldowns. I was like, there's really no point to save them. Once I get that debuff, I know I'm gonna die. So.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do loot. First up, we've got our edgy ring.
Ooh.
It is pretty.